best opportunities for investments in real estate 2016 I see on the country level. This is UK, this is Germany, and this is Spain in this hierarchy. If you dig deeper and look on the city level, this is of course London, but then followed by Berlin, Frankfurt, Munich, and Madrid. So this is again a hierarchy we see within the next 12 months for international money coming into Europe.
Well, prospects for property, I think, comes at the beginning of the year. It's when everybody's thinking about strategies and they just want to have views. This year there's been a lot of noise in the market, stocks going down, China in some sort of crisis. There are lots of questions, and actually this, I suppose the poignancy now is, could we actually get the signal out from the noise and the chatter?
Well, there's no doubt the UK economy is in sound growth mode. We've been growing since 2009. It's a soundly based recovery based on investment by companies rather than consumption, so it's very well founded. I think the single most important external threat is the situation in China. There's no doubt that the private sector debt in China is at very high levels. It needs correcting, and there could be some considerable way to go in a slowdown in Chinese economic growth. And how the world and the markets interprets that, I think, is potentially the single biggest threat to British growth.
Surprises from the wisdom of the crowd this year? I think it's the conflict between people's strategic thinking and what they're actually going to do. Strategically, they're concerned. They're concerned by debt, Brexit, the American elections, what Mr. Trump might do. But nevertheless, at an operational level, you can see that they're confident investors, and we saw 75% of the participants either retaining, investing in, or acquiring new property, predominantly in the office and retail sector, with some real caution around residential because of the stamp duty side of things.
Disruption in real estate is fascinating at the moment. Disruption is generally driven by technology and the ability for technology to take part in a new industry. In real estate, we see it across all asset classes. I think the most obvious one is residential, but we also see it in retail and in offices, and increasingly in industrial as well.